Self-love. Sounds so scary for so many people. Um, like, how do I start? Where do I go? Why is that like? I believe, and I'm sure you know that too, that self-love is the key ingredient to our happiness. Um, when we truly love ourselves, we attract wonderful experiences, and also we show people how to treat us. Um, we cannot expect someone to love us if we don't show ourselves love. It's just very simple, and I'm sure you understand that. However, practicing self-love can be challenging so many times because we don't really know what it is. We don't really familiar with the feeling of accepting and loving ourselves as we are, and that's totally normal. I mean, we all been through stuff, and so self-love can be like, can feel for many people really like a big thing that they have to achieve, or yeah, or it has to be perfect, which is, perfection is far away from self-love. All right, let's just drop it now. um like, so many people compare themselves to others, nitpicking their own flaws and worry too much about other people's opinion. Getting to the place of self-love can be a daily practice. It doesn't have to be big stuff. It can be little things when you show yourself or give yourself this time and attention. You accept yourself for who you are, and slowly you will feel joy in this place that you give yourself the time or the attention, and this practice becomes a habit and becomes a way of life. So I gather here like few very simple ways to start right now and practice self-love. Easy way, I think. One beautiful way is meditation. Meditation is a wonderful practice. It can be super beneficial to help increase awareness, bring a sense of calmness, reduce anxiety and stress, and most importantly, work together with yourself towards happiness and feeling satisfaction in your life. Practicing meditation is a way to know your mind, your thoughts, your fear, and not identify with them. Kind of create this separation and like feel who are you being in that moment. And meditation doesn't have to be long. I mean, it's up to you. It can be 10 minutes, or it can be focusing on your breath for a few minutes until you feel this wave of relaxation in your body. It is a beautiful way for self-love, and it costs nothing. Another way is like, it's more what maybe not to do, is to watch your language. Have you ever noticed how you speak to yourself? It can be so easy, and I don't want to say it as a limitation, but to slip into a negative cycle of bad self-talks, and like, even when we are not thinking it out loud, think things like, oh, I'm not good enough, I am not that, and I'm not that, oh, I cannot do that, I can't, all this stuff. It's imprinted in our mind, and it's not really, it's not beneficial. I will change it to this question: is this loving to myself? Is thinking like this about myself, talking like this about myself, is loving to myself? If the answer is no, let it go. And like, you can start with just letting this language go, and then add imprint other things, more empowering things, like I am enough, I'm more than enough, and like changing this negative talk. But that's a second way. Another way is read or listen to books. It's such a powerful method of learning. It can educate, inspire, heal, and connect. And when you have this amazing story or self-help book that you can't wait to read or listen to again, that's really nice. And that's also a way to connect with yourself and showing yourself some love. Appreciation, gratitude, thank yourself. Have you ever noticed that we thank others, but not all the time remember to thank ourselves, and like being proud of the little things that we do? Yes, it's also important to appreciate yourself, and as much as you appreciate others and all that you accomplished. You can give thanks by dedicating time to yourself every night, and just like also be grateful for what you have, focusing on what you have. And you can say it during the day. Like sometimes I think, like, if someone hear my mind like the whole day, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, I don't know, but anyway, it doesn't matter. You deserve to celebrate yourself, and it comes in the little moments of like, oh yeah, you know, I did it, oh yeah, like that, and I have this and I accomplished that. But yeah, don't take yourself for granted. Appreciate yourself. And then, yeah, for my world, like, treat yourself or allow someone else to take care of you. Learning to receive is a big act of self-love. Knowing how to receive is a base ground to love, to receiving love, you know, to receiving care, to receiving everything. Allowing someone else to take care of you and letting it all go is the greatest gift you can give to your soul and your body. Yeah, so I can invite you to Pure Salons, and this is where love is happening in the air all the time. And I'm sure you will love it. And you can choose anything else that makes you feel connected and being taken care of. But your job is only to receive it. That's a big act of self-love.